video is made especially for those who have the yellowing effect. Some people say it's burned edges, it's from pressure buildup. It usually occurs in the four corners. It becomes a pressure point here, 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 and here. Sometimes it could be just a yellowing line right here. It's like a perfect yellow line. So I'm making this video. When I just tried out Octopus glue, I bought this mold from them. They replaced my old one because of I had bad LOCA, which is liquid optical adhesive. He gave me his brand. I'm gonna try it out with this. I haven't did a video in a long time. It's iTechie Solutions, iTechie. That's me. So I'm gonna do an iPhone 5 screen. I have my glass. I have my liquid optical adhesive. I have my UV. I have my LCD. I have my mold. I have my paper towels. And I have my 99% alcohol, which is, for me, it's actually easier to clean the screen. It's very fast. It doesn't damage the screen or nothing. But with the yellowing effect, the issue is at hand is you can re-separate the LCD and the yellowing goes away. But the glue doesn't dry correctly. I will post up pictures as well. So first and foremost, I'm going to clean the screen. It's a quick video. Not going to take long. I'm not going to do so much different things, but I'm making this video to show people step by step and how I basically completed everything the right way and still ended up with the yellowing effect. Here's this is a 3 milliliter glue. Let's try it out. Applied the exact same way as they show in other videos. Make sure there's no dirt. Here we go. No extra glue lying around on the screen. Here we go. As they all do it, we do call it the YT. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, pushed a little too much, but it's okay. This is enough just for one screen. As you can see, I'm not putting anything on the edges, no tape or anything like that to line it up. I don't need to line it up if I have a mold. The backlight, I'm not going to remove it because the backlight is a damaged backlight. I'll put a brand new backlight, which I actually have. Might be a little bit too much, but should be enough. Okay, that's done with that. You can actually get my backlight. The two brand new backlights. As you can see. Fresh one. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my glass. No dust, no dirt, no nothing. When I apply it, I'm gonna actually turn this over so you guys can see. Remove the plastic from here. I do it exactly the exact way it's supposed to be done. If I'm doing something wrong, please tell me. I don't have those special tools, but this is exactly how I do it. You don't get the yellowing effect when you do a Galaxy S3 or any Android phone. You only get the yellowing effect with an iPhone. I don't know why, but we will find out why. So slowly place it down. This mold is amazing. And just a little heads up, when you're buying a mold, always make sure your glass fits perfectly in it. Just dropping it in. Okay, I'm applying it. I'm not putting that much pressure down. The glue's doing its job. Let it work. Okay. Now most people cure it, and some people say just let it work by itself. So here I am, letting it work. This glue actually has a nice viscosity. I tried APS, it's okay, but I still got the yellowing effect. Let the glue do its magic. You want to apply an even amount of pressure, so you're going to basically push in the middle. Let it work itself. Gotta be very careful. Again, I'm using octopus glue mold and octopus glue liquid optical adhesive. So it's actually good over here. I want to make sure that the top is actually fine as well. And another thing I'm learning is that when you look at the mold, make sure the sides are even. From this top up here, that it's lined up correctly, and the same thing over here. Now it looks set. I don't want to put any more pressure, but make sure everything is even. It's even, just about right. Now I'm using I'm just going to cure it, my UV. They say you should cure about 10 minutes. But I'm actually just pre-curing it, just in case there's any glue on the edges. It's not done. I'm just gonna actually put it down more. You can see some glue on the edges. But I think 3mm is actually perfect for a screen. Maybe leave just a little bit more left in the glue. I mean, inside of whatever this crap is called, but. So I'm not putting any pressure. I'm letting it sit. You don't want to mess with it while it's curing. You don't want to touch the screen. If you apply too much pressure, you can get those pressure points, and I think that is caused from pressure also. Or maybe I'm cleaning it with 99% alcohol, which 99% alcohol is actually not bad to clean anything with. Dries very fast. Doesn't leave any residue at all either. Okay, pre-cured it. I mean, say 3 minutes. Pick up my screen. I'm going to clean it now. Basically use this exact same thing that I used to clean the screen. Get rid of all the glue. And another thing, I mean, it may seem like it's done now, but the yellowing starts 2 days later. I know a lot of people that had this issue. I read a comment with a guy, same thing for him. He gave up. But we got to find out exactly what's the yellowing, what's causing this yellowing. So you have people like me, trial and error is the best thing to do. Just remove this. Okay, clean that off a little bit. Just want to clean enough. And just cure it just for a little bit more now. Just put it on here. Cleaned up the edges, so there's actually no glue there. I'm gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna come back to it. 5 minutes. Okay, we're back. 10 minutes is up. I guess she's gonna clean off the rest of the excess glue using my 99% alcohol. I don't think it's harmful at all. I always get glue right here next to the LCD connector. Why is that? I don't know if you can see right here. It's always glue ending up there. Maybe I can cure it just a little bit. Hopefully that helps. Like something like that. Cure it for a little bit, see what happens. I'm gonna test it with a dummy iPhone 5. gonna remove the backlight. That was a dummy backlight. I'm gonna clean the excess glue under the actual backlight. It comes right off. I don't think the 100% alcohol harms it. I actually seen a video with a guy, he used 100% alcohol too. He put actually in the alcohol and let it sit and cleaned it off. Okay, so here's the new backlight. Applying the new backlight. Lining it. Everything seems aligned. Just gonna resolder the edges, resolder the points back. Just let me get some. Just resolder it back. Show you step by step. Done. Okay, that was quick. Now we're gonna test it once more. The power button was broken, so I put another one in just to test the screen. Screen would actually come on, of course. It would definitely come on. So sorry about that. Okay. Right. So this is basically the screen. Looks amazing. No issues, no nothing. It's probably dirt from the backlight, but everything looks great, as you can see. But the only issue is what happens in 2 days. Maybe tomorrow it starts taking effect. We'll see.